On June 26, 2020, at 12 a.m. GMT, a CoSpace Rescue Challenge map was issued to iCooL participants from around the world. All participants were given 24 hours to develop AI strategies to solve the same challenge. In CoSpace Rescue Challenge, teams are required to build a real robot, develop and program appropriate algorithms and strategies for both real and virtual autonomous robots to navigate through both real and virtual worlds. Additionally, they have to search and collect objects while competing with another team's robot that is also searching and collecting objects in the same real and virtual worlds. During the challenge, the robot needs to overcome barriers, avoid traps, and swamps. If the robot successfully makes a deposit, the points of the objects deposited will be doubled. The virtual field has been divided into a 3x3 matrix. When the robot moves into each section, the robot's corresponding location information will be assigned to the robot. Location information can be used for the development of AI algorithms and strategies, such as path planning and search algorithms. The winner of the challenge will be the robot with the highest points.
Hi, my name is Sama Muhammad Hamdi. I am 12 years old. I am from Alexandria, Egypt. My category is RCAP CoSpace Challenge U12. I have been studying robotics for 2 years. First of all, artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machines which successfully achieving its goals, such as learning and problem solving, which can be done by computers. This year, I learned flowchart, Python, and Scratch. By Flowgorism program, I learned flowchart, in which I learned nested if, and that helped me in coding. Also, I learned Scratch, which helped me to know how to move characters. Indeed, I designed a game with this program. This year, I had some problems in X and Y because I didn't study it last year in CoSpace 2019, but I tried to study them, and finally I got it. To create a strategy, we must study the map well, develop ideas, and avoid traps, and try to get the victims to a safe side. So, I made a strategy that when the robot didn't have any loaded objects, it walks on trap, and it walks on the deposit. It neither avoid the trap nor make deposit. To detect super object, I made it super statement. When the robot in position X and Y, for example 1 and 0, and the robot loaded objects bigger than 2, it turns and goes to deposit and make depositing. I used for this map, 27 June map, ultrasonic sensor, and X and Y positions, because each map has a strategy. I become having a great knowledge and experience in robots and programming. Also, it made a great change in my personality. It gave me different thinking about many issues and better solving many problems. Last year, I participated in RoboCup Junior Egypt Rescue Simulation competition, and I was awarded to the second place winner, and that was at the Smart Village. And that, of course, because of my coach and beloved teacher, Yusra. Yusra was like my older sister, and she loved us a lot. Also treated us like one family, and she was doing her best for us. She made a great effort in teaching me, and I have a great honor to work with her. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.
My name is Singan Yu and I'm from Korea. I'm 6th grade in elementary school. I'm involved in RCAP CoSpace Rescue Challenge U12. I have been learning robotics for 3 years. My first strategy I used to program my robot is that I planned to go to deposit as many times as possible. The second strategy is to devour the object the super blue. The last strategy is to avoid traps and not to be bounced into full size if possible. When I tried to complete the program but failed so many times, I was so stressed out. But I'm surprised because I overcame difficult situations.
And off we go! In this demo game, we will minimize any manual intervention. Blue robot is depositing. Red robot is depositing. Red robot has a set of red, black, and cyan objects. It can generate a super object. Blue robot is depositing. A super object will appear after depositing a set of red, black, and cyan objects at one go. Super object and super plus object are worth 90 and 180 points respectively. Blue robot is depositing. Red robot is depositing. Blue robot is depositing. Blue robot is depositing. Red robot has a set of red, black, and cyan objects. It can generate a super object. Blue robot picks up super object. That's 90 points. Red robot is full. Red robot needs to make a deposit before it can continue collecting. Red robot is depositing. Blue robot is depositing. Red robot is depositing. What a move! Looks like a close match. Red robot has overtaken blue robot. Blue robot is searching in the blue spatial area. Any objects picked up in this area will double in value. Red robot is depositing. Looks like a close match. Blue robot is depositing. What a move! Blue robot has overtaken red robot. Blue robot is depositing. Blue robot is depositing. Blue robot wins this challenge. Congratulations!